How to buy FORTUNA protocol token. Now this token came under the symbol of Fort. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 7 days ago. And as you can see, this token trending number 7 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, open your BitGet wallet for that, go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Fort. So after you find it, click on it, click on swap. Switch from here, from the top you can select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now after that you can click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Fort token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.